Are you tired of chaotic kitchen storage that leaves your pantry in disarray? Praki presents the perfect solution with its 48-pack food storage containers, combining innovation, durability, and functionality to elevate your pantry organization game. Let's dive into the reasons why Praki is your go-to choice for a neat and organized kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Stay healthy, stay happy, because your food deserves the best. Innovative design for effortless pouring. Praki understands the importance of convenience in the kitchen. The innovative design of these airtight storage containers with holes in the lids allows you to pour out food without the hassle of opening the entire lid. No more mess, no more stress, just pure convenience. Reusable and durable for long-term use. Crafted from premium food-grade plastic and silicone materials, these pasta storage containers for pantry are not just containers, they are a commitment to durability. Stack them together with ease, creating an organized and efficient storage space that stands the test of time. Airtight seal for optimal freshness. Preserve the freshness and health of your food with Praki's excellent sealing performance. These storage containers for cereal offer an airtight seal, ensuring that your food remains in prime condition. Say goodbye to staleness and hello to prolonged food storage. Tight fit but easy to open, strike the perfect balance. Experience the perfect synergy of a tight, secure fit and effortless accessibility. The 4-side locking lids seal these cereal containers airtight, providing the security your food needs while still allowing for easy opening and closing. Convenience meets reliability. Surprise bundle your comprehensive pantry organizer. This pantry organizer set doesn't just stop at 48 containers, it goes the extra mile. With various sizes, including round, square, and rectangular containers, you have the versatility to organize and store a multitude of food items effortlessly. The 40 labels and pen included add a thoughtful touch for meticulous organization. Sealing strong leak-proof assurance. Say goodbye to leaks and spills. The side-locking lids with silicone gaskets create an airtight seal, preventing any mishaps. Your food stays fresh, and you can bid farewell to the frustration of accidental spills. Save space, stackable and efficient. Maximize your kitchen space with a stackable and space-saving design of these organizers and storage containers. Effortless organization and easy access become a reality, allowing you to save space on your kitchen slabs, cabinets, refrigerator, freezer, and beyond. Safe and convenient, a pantry storage revolution. Made from BPA-free plastic, these pantry storage containers are versatile. From leftovers and fruits to cooked meals and dry food, they cater to all your storage needs. Dishwasher, microwave, and freezer safe, excluding lids, they are your partners in convenience. A lovely gift. Spread the joy of organization. Share the joy of an organized kitchen. These plastic airtight containers are not just a practical solution, but a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays, and other meaningful occasions. Give the gift of organization and efficiency. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.